No. It's not this kind of prayer. Not this kind of prayer. So in this video, we'll be going through 10 phases that can perfectly replace ability to work under pressure and what they mean to your recruiter. Each of the phrases will be revealing what they actually mean to your recruiter. When your recruiter sees them, like, this is what you mean. So ability to work under pressure has always been an important mix in people's resumes, but in recent years, the phrase has come under attack that it shouldn't be used because it is generic. And that's true. Everyone now uses ability to work under pressure, even whether what they're doing is prayer field or not. So that's why it has been advised that people should stop putting that generic phrase in their resumes because it doesn't distinguish you. It doesn't make you special. It doesn't sell you to anybody. It's just redundant. And I told you in the last video that 5 common mistakes to avoid when crafting a perfect resume. And in this video, I'll be telling you how to change and get rid of ability to work under pressure for good. The first phrase is thrives in high pressure environment. If you look at this phrase carefully, you've informed the recruiter that you can actually work under pressure, but not just work under pressure, you would thrive under pressure. You are replacing the redundant phrase and you are taking it a step higher. What's number 2? That's perform well in demanding situations. What's this talking about? Strong performance. This means you are what? You are result oriented. That means no matter the demand that is brought towards you, no matter the target that has been set for you, you would surely perform and you will meet up with expectation. What this fits is those who are applying for, let me say, marketing job, and they have targets every month, they have targets every week. Now you're telling me that you always perform in demand situation. It means you are result oriented, you are goal oriented, you know what to do at every point in time. Number 3, maintain composure in stressful settings. That means probably you're working in a place or you're looking for a job in a place where the stress would normally be high. You are telling them that you can be composed. Let's say someone working in an emergency ward of an hospital, an emergency nurse. You're telling them that you can be composed no matter the stress and you will stay focused. And number 4, adapt quickly to prayer field scenario. You are not only telling them that you can survive under prayer, you can work under prayer, you are also informing of your adaptation skills. No matter the situation, bring it on. I'm gonna adapt. I'm gonna show you that what stuff I am made of. And number 5, deliver results in fast-paced environments. What are fast-paced environments? Mainly tech settings. IT developer, web developer, junior engineer, project manager, product designer. You are suitable for this kind of setting. Have you seen jobs whereby in the job description they will tell you that ability to work in a fast-paced environment? That's what we're talking about here. That you always deliver results in a fast-paced environment. Number 6, handle tight deadlines with ease. What is his position you as? Someone who has strong time management skills. In service delivery setting, freelancers, designers, writers, etc., video editors, people that work mainly as freelancers, there's this issue they usually have with time management. And you're telling your recruiter that you can handle tight deadlines easily. What you're telling them is you have strong time management. That means prayer of time has nothing on you. Number 7, remains productive amidst intense workloads. This is only highlighting your productivity. Instead of writing highly productive, no. Remains productive amidst intense workloads. You are telling them that you are productive here. And seriously, at this point, I think I deserve a like. If you don't mind, I deserve a subscribe. And you can turn on the notification button to get notified when I drop new videos just like this. Number 8, successfully navigate high stress situations. One of the things that this is being noted, is that you know how to plan, you know how to organize. That means you know what should come first, what should come second, and what should come first. Now, number 9, demonstrate resilience in high pressure setting. This is talking about your resilience skill, that nothing can break you, you can stand strong, okay? And finally, ability to keep up with changing demands of modern workplace. One of the things he is noting is that you are versatile. While I'm a strong advocate for not being jack of all trades, but being a master of one, it is always good when someone is versatile. It is always good when someone is actually versatile. And if you can now change and shift to changing demand of a modern workplace, then it's double tick for you. And subscribe. And see you in the next video. Thank you.